Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how I trade on mobily with using Robinhood and Thinkorswim. And I also use finviz. So you'll need three things up. See them here. It's my finviz. You'll go to finviz.com. I'll put all the links below. We use Thinkorswim so that we can go ahead and get any kind of technical analysis we need, look at charts, scanners, etc. And then we got Robinhood. So what we're going to do today is just kind of teach you about the software. You can't trade unless you know how to trade with the software. So it's important to know what you're doing when you're making a trade. It's important to know what you're doing, setting a limit. Otherwise, you're just going to lose money. And that's not what we're here for. We're here to kind of do everything for free, kind of figure out how we want to trade and what type of trader we're going to be, if that's what you're going to do. So right here, you can see I have some shares here. We'll go ahead and say I'm positive in Amazon. So let's go ahead and look at Amazon, and we'll look at Amazon, and what we want to do in this is be able to trade it with a stop limit. So let's just say I had a price target. I bought in at 18.12 and my price target was going to be 18.20. So, and you see that the price right now is at 18.21.13. So I don't want to make any less than 18.20 on this trade, period. So what I do is I'm going to set a limit stop. So in Robinhood, this is how you do it. And this way you can kind of set it and forget it and not have to worry about it the rest of the way. You can go ahead and work. So we'll go to our stock. We'll go to trade. We're going to go to sell it. And we're going to go to order types. When you go to order types, you're going to go right here to a stop limit. And the stop limit will say, okay, so I want to set my current price. It'll show you the current price, right? So I want to put a limit at 18, let's say 20.25, right? So that's my stop limit because I want to make 18.20 off the share. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit the continue button. Now it's going to ask me my limit price. Limit price means how much do you basically want for it. So I want 18, let's give it a little bit of room to breathe and say 18.20 because that is our target price. So 18.20 even. Let's hit continue. And now what you would do is you either say it never expires or you say expires tomorrow. I always keep it to expire tomorrow because the price action can change and it can go up and you might want to set that limit higher. So let's say it goes up another $1. I might want to set it up $1 higher tomorrow. So I'm going to cut it off at the end of the day. It'll give me a message. I'll look at that message and then I'll go ahead and say whether or not at that point in time do I want to change that limit. Basically, if it didn't sell, that means it's higher than my stop price. So that means my profit's still good, my profit's still intact, and you can still make money off the trade. You're just trying to maximize your profit at this point. And that's what you do when you make a stop limit and you're already in profit in Robinhood.